Hi, I'm Sage, the upholstery manager here at Eastern Accents. Today I'm going to be going over Lucite legs, which is our newest introduction to the Eastern Accents furniture line. The legs will be available under the furniture rendering tab of our website, so when you go to render any of the beds in our line, there will now be a Lucite leg option in addition to the existing wood colors we had previously. As you can see, the legs come in different shapes, so all of the shapes will be available that correspond with each of the beds. So when you go to render it, you'll be able to see it rendered with the Lucite image as well. The legs are made completely of one-piece construction, so you can see they're completely transparent going through. But the one-piece construction is also really nice because there's no chance of the legs snapping at the seam. Because the legs have the bolt holes at the top, when you receive the bed at your home, you won't see any of this hardware visible on the bed, because what we do is we attach the legs first and we upholster over it. So the leg, when it's done, will just be a completely seamless, beautiful Lucite leg. So feel free to go on our website and check out our beds and add a Lucite option to any of your headboard orders.